Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm gonna share with you my experience with Fair and Lovely facial kit, and also I'm gonna review that at the same time. So let's begin with the video because this might going to be a bit longer and I don't like to make longer videos. So let's cut it and make it short. So as you can see, this is the outer packaging of the product, and inside this we have 5 products, 3 in tube forms and 2 in pouch form. They are claiming that their product is free from chemicals and it has no bleach, and you can get parlor like glow at home. I agree with the third claim, but it has no bleach. I'm not agree with that, and it is chemical free. I'm also not agree with that, because without having chemical and bleach, how could I get instant glow on my face? That is totally false claim according to me. Next we have these 5 steps to do: face wash, scrub, massage cream, a face pack and moisturizer. Okay, so on the back of the cover, the quantity is given of each pack and tube, and each pack is of 8 gram, but the moisturizer is of 5 gram, and a few address and other information is given. That is total waste for us. So I'm starting with my first step, that is face wash. And how I usually do face wash is I take some face wash on my fingers and apply this on my face, massage it 1 minute and then leave it for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then I wash off. Because I have oily and acne prone skin, that's why I leave the product on my skin to deal with the acne and problems. And about this face wash, I can say that it can make my skin dry and rough. It get absorbed into the skin, and I need to take water again and again for smooth movements of hand. Yes, it does give instant glow, remove oiliness and dirt and dust, deep cleanse my skin, but still I don't like it because it make my skin super dry, which I really don't like. I mean, I have to use moisturizer after using this face wash, although I mostly skip moisturizer or use water based, but this is just okay. I don't like it much, just okay. Now coming to my scrub. So scrub is similar to walnut scrub or joy fruit and scrub. There is nothing special in this scrub. The beads of this scrub is same as that walnut and joy fruit scrub, and the fragrance is very mild. There is nothing special to say about this scrub. It is just normal scrub, and the beads of this scrub is hard one, like the Himalaya face wash, sorry, face scrubs has soft beads, but it has hard bead. And actually I like hard beads, but still the scrub is okay. There is nothing to say about this, but yes, it get absorbed into your skin while you doing this. So you have to take again and again water or rose water, as I am taking rose water for a smooth movement of hands. So you can also take water or something. Usually I scrub my face for 2 minutes and then I leave the product on my skin for another 2 minutes and then I wash off. This is how I do my scrub. It's just okay. Now coming to third step, which is cream. The texture of the cream is pretty good, that is baby pink shade, and the fragrance is just okay. So as you know, in facial you have to massage cream at least for 20 to 30 minutes, then it is called facial. But when you massage cream for 10 to 15 minutes, then it is count as cleanup. Because I was doing facial, so I decided to massage cream for 30 minutes, but when I apply this cream on my face, I suddenly start feeling burning sensation and irritation. I thought it is because of problematic skin, as I have acne and pimples, scars, and I actually popped them many times. So that's why I think I was feeling that irritation, burning sensation when I was continuing with the massage and all. So I thought, okay, let's give it some time. Initially I thought that it is for 1 to 2 minutes and it would get a stop after 1 to 2 minutes of massage, but it didn't get a stop. Then after 5 minutes of massage, I wash off my face because I was unable to bear the burning sensation that I was having, and it was so horrible. Although I massaged this cream on my face only for 5 minutes, but still I got instant glow, all thanks to chemicals and bleach that this cream has, although they claim that it has no chemical and bleach. What I can say about this cream is it is so hard and it is not for sensitive skin people. Actually, my skin is so hard that can bear baking soda or any hard ingredient, but is unable to bear this cream. That means this is not for sensitive skin people. They can't even bear it for a minute. Now coming to pack was okay. At least it didn't give me any burning sensation. It get dry very easily. And yes, then I wash off my face. The experience with face pack is just okay. There is no such miracle or positive point it does that I can count for you. Now coming to moisturizer is what can I say? Moisturizer, in the beginning I thought yes, it is quite good, although the fragrance was horrible. But when I applied it, it get absorbed into my skin very quickly, make my skin dry. And I thought that it is good that it get absorbed into my skin quickly without making it oily. But after 20 to 30 minutes of this application, my skin start getting greasy and oily. Then I was feeling so, bad and oily kind. So I washed off again with my regular face wash. So the moisturizer is also horrible. As you can see, the cream get filled into my eyebrows, and I found it bit hard to remove it to clean my eyebrows. Now finally I can't say that it was facial, I can say that is cleanup, all thanks to cream that caused me burning sensation and stopped me from massaging it on my face for 30 minutes. So my experience with this facial kit was horrible. I'm not going to suggest this to you. So guys, as you can see, I'm not really very happy with the product, and definitely I'm not going to give second chance and second try to this. Although it gives bit instant glow, but this is not all that I want. I want more, like it should be oil free, it should be light on my skin, it shouldn't feel heavy, shouldn't give me any kind of burning sensation or irritation that cream gave me. And if your cream is not working on your skin, then the whole facial is just waste. It's just total waste of money. So I'm not saying that if it is not working on my skin, it would not work on you also. If you want, you can give it a try. It might be possible that it wasn't work on my skin because of acne and dark spots. Maybe the glow, the benefits are not visible to me because of my face problems, and it might give you, it might work on you. So give it a try if you want. I won't suggest you if your skin is oily or acne prone. So this is all. I mean, out of 10 I give it 3. That's it. Okay, 3 is okay. So this is all for today. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. I will be back soon. Bye.